There's something truly special about stepping onto a stunning deck at the end of a long day. The moment your feet touch the smooth wood, the stress begins to fade. The air feels fresher, the light softer, and suddenly your home feels more open, more connected to nature. A beautiful deck isn't just an outdoor platform. It becomes your morning coffee sanctuary, where quiet sunrises bring calm before the world wakes up. It's the place where family dinners stretch into laughter under the evening sky, and where friends gather, sharing stories long after sunset. As night falls, gentle lights along the stairs and railings create a warm, welcoming glow. Your backyard transforms into a peaceful retreat, a space where you can breathe deeper, slow down, and simply enjoy the moment. The rustle of leaves, the cool breeze, the stillness, it all feels like a mini vacation at home. A well-designed deck invites you to live differently, to step outside more often, to relax more fully, and to appreciate the beauty around you. Because a stunning deck doesn't just change how your home looks, it changes how your life feels. Inspired by the outdoor living ideas you love on Modern Homes and Gardens.